Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to get Malayalam keyboard on your iPhone. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the settings app, and from here guys, you have to scroll it down a bit, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on camera. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down, and you can easily see here keyboard option. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on keyboards. Now as you can see guys, hit the keyboards option and tap on again. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on add new keyboard. Now you can see here guys, here are a lot of languages or a lot of keyboards. So how can you add it guys? Just simply have to search for the Malayalam. Here it is guys, just simply have to tap on that. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on Malayalam standard. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on turn. Now it's done from here guys, and as you can see guys, here is the Malayalam keyboard. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.